Hello friends, today's video topic is on 7 suggestions for improving the communication skill of your growing child. A growing child needs to master this skill in order to receive and share information with others effectively, precisely, and productively. The first suggestion to improve the communication skill of growing child is to encourage him or her to ask questions starting with what, why, how, where, when, etc. on all topics of interest. More curiosity will generate more knowledge in the child, and the more he or she knows, the better will become the communication skill by and by. The second suggestion is to make more and more opportunities available to the child to do suitable things with his or her own hands. The confidence of having done something with one's own hands shows when communicating with others. The child should be encouraged to share what they are thinking and feeling when doing something with their own hands. This may stimulate insightful, out-of-the-box kind of thinking in them. The third suggestion is to encourage the child to be alert and sensitive when observing activities of people and details of things present in their environment. As their understanding of how things work and how people behave under different circumstances improve, by keen observation, their ability to communicate with others too will improve. The fourth suggestion is that growing child should be encouraged to develop good command over spoken and written words by increasing his or her vocabulary. It is important for the child to understand the subtle differences in the meaning, use, and impact of similar words from this early age to have extraordinary communication skills later. The fifth suggestion is that the growing child should be introduced to recognizing and understanding the significance of non-verbal communication from the early age. Understanding of the silently expressive language of the gestures, postures, facial expressions, feelings shining through the eyes, etc. will vastly improve his or her communication skills as they grow up. With this skill, the child will learn easily to differentiate between truth and lies, likes and dislikes, etc. in the other person. The sixth suggestion is to encourage the growing child to think, feel, act and express himself or herself like a leader in all situations or tasks arising in his or her growing years. Like a good leader, the child should have clarity about the overall picture of whatever activity he or she is involved in with others. Playing the role of a leader from early age will enhance his or her communication skills vastly. The seventh suggestion is to emphasize one very important aspect of communication skill of the growing child. If the child is growing into a good, sensitive human being under the able, wise, loving and caring guidance of the elders, then he or she will certainly become adept in communicating with the hearts of others directly. This quality will make the child honest, truthful and trustworthy in all relationships. Communication skills then would strengthen the bond of affection, care and love between the growing child and people who are important in his or her life. It is very important to emphasize in the end that patiently loving and wisely caring parents and other elders will play a very important role in giving very good communication skills to the growing child. Dear friends, if you have liked this video, then share it with others. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Uprooting Unhappiness Today. Thank you very much for listening to the video to the end.